What's up, guys? Tim back with Tilted Sports Cards. They finally came in the mail. Series 2 Fleer 92-93 basketball. So today we're looking for Michael Jordan, of course, any type of Hall of Famers. Pretty sure Magic Johnson retired due to AIDS at this time frame, but we still have Larry Bird, Dominique Wilkins, Keem Olajuwon, David Robinson, and the rest. So let's get into it. Nice little fresh packs straight off of the best auction site in the world, eBay. Not quite yet sponsored by Ultra Pro, but they have all of your top loading and penny sleeve needs, not to mention the one touches. Those guys are great. Maybe one day they'll sponsor me. Until then, we will just keep using their stuff because they're awesome. I love these old boxes because the new boxes, you go spend $300-400 on a box trying to get one card. You buy 2 or 3 boxes, can't find the one card. These older boxes, they may be a little bit more pricey depending on which boxes they are, but you're usually guaranteed to get 3 or 4 of the cards you're looking for. So we'll see if we can pull out some Shaq rookies as well as some slam dunk Michael Jordans, guys. If you guys follow me much, then you know we just opened a box of Series 1 just yesterday, as a matter of fact. Pulled like 11 Michael Jordans. Pretty good box. It's a good way to cut yourself. Oh, right there on the back. Would you look at that? Beautiful first pack. Let's see which one we got here. Nice base Shaquille O'Neal rookie card. Go ahead and get him sleeved and top loaded. I'm feeling pretty good about this box so far, guys. Centering looks pretty decent. It's a little bit right to left, but that's all right, because it was the first card in the box. Go ahead and throw him up here. Let's open a few packs so we have a stack to choose from. Plus, these packs are a little bit difficult to open. Stopped using wax this year. The year before, they still had the wax, which are a lot easier to open. These are just plastic and they're difficult. But I hope everybody's day is going well. Derby Day was yesterday. Shout out to Louisville, Derby City. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Won lots of money. Me personally, it's the first Derby I haven't bet on in probably 15 years, so. New year, we're doing new things. Let's go ahead and get into the first 4 packs. See what we can find. Alton Lister, Spud Webb Slam Dunk, that's pretty sweet. Stick our inserts over here to the side. Reggie Smith, Robert Parrish Slam Dunk, that's also pretty sweet. Eric Murdoch, Walter Bond, Walter Bond Jr. Got a Danny Young. Ooh, Scottie Pippen Slam Dunk. That's pretty sweet. Go ahead and sleeve that up. Stick him over here next to Shaq. All right, looks like it's followed by a Ron Harper Slam Dunk. We'll put him over here with our inserts. Harold Miner. I believe he played for University of Louisville. See if we can get that to... Oh, USC, okay. Dwayne Cooper, Jeff Hornacek. Oh, missed one. Oh, Alonzo, nice. Put our Hall of Famers up here. Patrick Ewing, slam dunk, pretty sweet. Dominique slam dunk. I might have to sleeve that too. That's pretty nice. Probably go back through and sleeve up all of our Hall of Famers. But for the time being, we'll just get the really, really nice ones. Nice Charles Barkley, Corey Williams, Chris Dudley, Vinny Del Negro, Danny Ferry, Herb Williams, Tim Perry. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. Nice Clyde the Glide slam dunk. Put him up here with the Hall of Famers. Kevin Johnson. Over with the inserts. Pooh Richardson. Todd Day. Oh, here we go. A little bit of color. This is a new Sharpshooters. We'll put him in the inserts. It's just Dana Barros. Dennis Rodman slam dunk. That's pretty nice. Centering looks pretty immaculate on that too. I'm going to get that sleeved up. Ever since that Michael Jordan documentary, Dennis Rodman's cards have been trending also. It's always nice to see. Larry Nance. Mookie Blaylock. Oh, I missed one. David Wingate. Blue, you're my boy, Blue. Sean Elliott. Oh, about missed one again. Avery Johnson. Greg Kite. All right, so that's the first 4 packs down in the books. Let's see if we can open some more, get some more good stuff. Really like that Sharpshooters card. Be nice to see a little Michael Jordan insert. So the overall condition of these cards is phenomenal for being from 1992. If you guys are ever interested in seeing any of my collection, you can always follow me on Instagram at Tilted Sports Cards. Starting to develop quite a collection. Viewable to the public, of course. I guess there was a card show in Miami yesterday too. Hopefully some of you guys were able to go out there and pick up some good stuff. All right. Leading it off with a Spud Webb slam dunk. Reggie Smith, Robert Parrish slam dunk. Walton Bond. Walton Bond. Kendall Gill Slam Dunk. Byron Scott Slam Dunk. Dwayne Cooper. Here's a nice Alonzo. Love the Hall of Famers. Jeff Hornacek. Patrick Ewing Slam Dunk again. This is a pretty good dunk backwards. Another Dominique Slam Dunk. That's pretty sweet. Nice Barkley. Chris Dudley. Vinny Del Negro. Danny Ferry. Herb Williams. I wonder if he went by Herb or Herb. Like a garden spice. Oh, nice. Clyde Drexler insert. Sharpshooters. I don't know what the odds of these are. Look like there were 18 of them. All right, nice little Dikembe Mutombo Slam Dunk. Terrell Brandon. Randy Woods. Blue, you're my boy, Blue. Oh, that's sweet. James Worthy Slam Dunk. Larry Johnson Slam Dunk. I'm going to keep that for me. David Robinson Slam Dunk. That's nice, too. Looks like somebody's slamming on him. I'm not sure why that got a Slam Dunk. Checklist. Turner, Prince, Price, Jeff Grayer, Randy Brown, another checklist. As if one weren't enough. Jerome Kersey, Dan Marley, Malik Sealy. That'll close it out for the second 4 packs. Still no Michael Jordans yet, but I feel like we're getting close, guys. I'm going to call it in this pack. We can get the pack open. There we go. Set this pack to the side because that's going to be the first one that we go through so we can find that little MJ. That's right. Because it is in there. All right, so here we go. Byron Houston, Charles Smith, Karl Malone slam dunk. Nice. Yeah, Green Littorell or something. Javier McDaniels, Josh Sally, Andrew Lang, Tony Bennett, Tom Smith, Dave Johnson, Kenny Walker. Oh, Shaquille O'Neal slam dunk. Not a Jordan, but we'll take it. Looks to be centered flawlessly. Maybe a little bit bottom to top. Still sweet though. Get up there, Shaq. Eagle Knight. Sean Rooks. Harold Miner. Tom Gugliotta. It's his first year. I think this is actually his rookie year. Yep, NC State. I'll just leave that up. Just because it's a rookie. Throw him over here in our inserts pile. Kevin Lynch, James Edwards, Isaac Austin, Daryl Dawkins, Manute Bol slam dunk, Oliver Miller, Will Purdue, not even close to his rookie, Chuck Person, Sidney Green, Gerald Wilkins, Romeo Robinson, Don McLean, George McLeod, there's another Larry Johnson, followed by James Worthy, slam dunks, Jason Williams, not the white chocolate though, Robert Pack, Mark Jackson, Rick King, Jerry Moore, Jerry Reynolds, Charles Jones, Elmore Spencer, Jim Less, Stephen Howard, Derek Coleman, slam dunk, Clyde Drexler, slam dunk, Kevin Johnson, slam dunk. Oh, see a little color. Drew Richardson, Todd Day, Mitch Richmond, insert, sharpshooters, followed by another Dennis Rodman. Centering looks pretty impeccable. Not quite sure why they printed slam dunk on the card if they weren't slam dunking it. It's odd. Sam Morris, Larry Nance, Jaren Jackson. I guess that's Jaren Jackson Jr. Dad, maybe. Rudy Blaylock. All right, no Jordans, man. It's a sad day so far. All right, off to the next few packs. All right, back at it. See, Trey Rollins, Rick Mahorn, Avery Johnson, Greg Kite, Hubert Davis, Doug Overton, Keith Jennings, Kevin Johnson Slam Dunk, Larry Crable, Clyde Drexler, Todd Day, oh, more color, Crew Richardson, Dana Barossa again. Isaiah for Detroit, but it's not Thomas. Let's see, Dikembe Slam Dunk, sweet. Card seemed a little thicker. Randy Woods, Eric Anderson, Sherman Douglas, Keith Askins, Greg Grant, Tom Hammonds, Anthony Peeler, Mark Bryant, Stacey Augman, Slam Dunk, Doc Rivers, Slam Dunk. Doesn't hardly look tall enough to dunk. Danny Ainge, Trent Tucker, Chris Smith, Lloyd Daniels, Tate George, Kenny Payne, D. Brown Slam Dunk, Buck Williams Slam Dunk. They must be saving the good stuff for the last half of the pack. Byron Scott Slam Dunk, Kendall Gill Slam Dunk, Sean Elliott Slam Dunk, Lou Edwards Slam Dunk. This may so far be the worst box I've ever gotten. So far. Let's hope that changes. We're officially halfway through the box. All right, Flair, time to redeem yourself, bub. Maybe there's just so much heat in the second half of the box that I had to give us some junk in the first half. See a little bit of color there on the back. Hopefully that's something good. This is a lot of work. I'm about to have to stop and hydrate. This film is also brought to you by Monster Gold. Here's a heel around here. Ooh, let's get back into it, guys. All right. We have a Jeff Turner. Man, very highly sought after checklist. Names every guy in the set. Which is good because I don't recognize any of these guys. Good thing they let us know twice. Mark Price, that's our color. Oh man. Throw him over here to the side. Gerald Glass. Terrell Brandon. I guess we bought a box of B-listers. All right, we should be getting through the first half of the stack of the box, so hopefully we're about to jump into that second stack and pull out all the fire. David Robinson, slam dunk. Derek Coleman, slam dunk. Stacey Augman, slam dunk. I guess all the boxes can't be winners. Buck Williams. D. Brown. You're my boy, Blue. There we go. Reggie Miller sharpshooters. Not quite Michael Jordan, but it's a lot closer than Mark Price. Throw him up here next to Clyde the Glide. Dikembe, slam dunk. Terrell Brandon, slam dunk. And closing it off with Mark Bryant. It's funny, I didn't know you could order boxes of the bench. But I guess even the bench made it to the NBA, so they're all better ball players than I am. On a positive note, it looks like we can make another one of those bicycles we had as children that sounded like Harley Davidsons. All right, back at it. Here we've got a Walt Williams, Wingate, John Crotty, Oh, yeah. And my boy Blue, Sean Elliott. I don't know why they gave everybody a slam dunk insert card. Seems a little counterproductive. Avery Johnson, Greg Kite, Doug Overton, Keith Jennings. Yeah, so far this series, one was a way better box. Oh, that one was upside down. That's weird. Matt Geiger. Dana Barros, Randy White, or Matt Geiger, Buck Johnson, Tom Hammonds, Doc Rivers, not slam dunking, Stacey Ogman, actually slam dunking, Danny Ainge, Terry Tucker, Lloyd Daniels, Tom Campbell, Kenny Payne, Chris Gatling, Buck Williams, Clarence Weatherspoon, Latrell Sprewell. That's actually Latrell Sprewell's rookie card. That's pretty sweet. We'll throw him out over here with the inserts. We got a Barkley slam dunk. That's pretty sweet. Rod Strickland, Sean Kemp slam dunk. That's awesome. I like that a lot. Looking all Rain Manny. Anthony Peeler and Greg Grant. Well, so far we've got 2 Shaquille O'Neals. Certainly the only thing to write home about. See if we can at least triple that. Make this box actually worth purchasing. There we go, the Admiral on the back. It's a better sign. It's safe to say we've taken our hits on this box. All right, Brian Smith, Scott Brooks, Terry Mills. Oh, another one of those sweet checklists. Jeff Turner, Brent Price, Jeff Grayer, Randy Brown. Oh, followed by another sweet checklist. And then a Jerome Kersey, get out. And a Dan Marley. Wow, it's too much. Pretty sweet James Worthy. Followed by another Larry Johnson. It's like clockwork. Jason Williams, but not the white chocolate. Mark Jackson. Rick King. Tracy Moore. Jerry Reynolds. Charles Jones, not Barkley. Elmore Spencer. Jim Less. Stephen Howard. Derek Coleman. There's the David Robinson, the Admiral himself. Rodney McRae. Christian Leitner. I believe that was his rookie year too, yeah. Another Latrell Sprewell rookie. Have to go back through this deck and make sure I didn't miss any of the rookie class. See Rod Strickland. There's Sean Kemp. Another Charles Barkley, sweet. Brian Howard. Kenny Williams. Bradlow Haas. Oh, nice. Michael Jordan, slam dunk. A little bit left to right there, but it's okay. We're not complaining because we finally got a Michael Jordan. It's that classic Jordan dunking over Patrick Ewing as well. That's the same picture they took for the 92-93 Top Stadium Club, Michael Jordan #1, which is a fitting slam dunk title. All right, Akeem Olajuwon, slam dunk, nice. Knew these guys were in here. They were just hiding in the bottom of the box. See Robert Horry, Wiley, John Williams, Green, Xavier McDaniels, John Sally, Andrew Lang, Tony Bennett, Tony Smith, Dave Johnson, Kenny Walker. Oh, another Shaquille O'Neal, nice. That one looks to be centered pretty well. Awesome. All right, and our last guy was Nagel Knight. It's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. How tall was he? 6'2". Looks kind of tiny on there, but that's my height, so. I mean, he towered over defenders. All right. Well, we got one Michael Jordan, so better than no Michael Jordans. That's right. right, back at it, and then we have 4 packs left. See if we can pull some heat, guys. Getting down to the nitty-gritty. Started off with a Robert Horry. Not a bad start. Marlon Wiley. John Sally. Something green. Xavier McDaniels. I feel like we've seen this pack already. I'm sure we have. Tony Bennett. Oh, nice. Another Shaquille O'Neal Slam Dunk rookie. Pack fresh. Super sweet. Sure would have been cool if they got a basketball card of him breaking backboards. That was one of my favorite things to watch as a kid. Shaq breaking backboards. Glass shattering all over the place. See Kenny Walker. What did he play for? I'll have to look him up. Christian Laettner rookie again. Okay, I'll take it. Nagel Knight. Rodney McCrary. Raphael Addison. Will Purdue. Still haven't got that Jordan base card out of here yet. I don't know if they put it in here. I know they put it in Series 1 because I got like 3 of them. Sidney Green. Gerald Wilkins. Charles Smith. Don McLean. Byron Houston. Cedric Sabalas, Slam Dunk. Jay Humphreys. Karl Malone, Mailman. Delivering the mail. Lee Mayberry. LaFonso Ellis. Greg Dreiling. Hersey Hawkins for sharpshooters. All right, Mark Randall. Scottie Pippen Slam Dunk. That's pretty nice. We got one of those, maybe. What's better than 1? 2. That's right. All right, Stanley Roberts. Dan Schmays. Adam Keefe. Oh, there's another Shaquille O'Neal. Harold Miner. We'll take that base card rookie all day. Centering's off. Like bad, but the rest of the card looks nice. Hopefully we can pull a PSA 9. Hopefully it won't be a PSA 9 OC or a PSA 8 because of the centering. Throw him back here. All right, Sean Rooks. James Edwards. Oh, having an avalanche over here with sports cards. Tom Gugliotta, another rookie. All right, Kenny Lynch, Manute Bol, Austin, Daryl Dawkins, Chuck Person, Oliver Miller. Oh, I'm putting these in the wrong pile. The only one that went there was the Manute Bol. Oh, here we go. Christian Laettner rookie again. Dale Ellis, Jerome Lane, Raphael Addison, oh, Clarence Weatherspoon, another Latrell Sprewell rookie. Rod Strickland. There's Sean Kemp, slam dunk. Charles Barkley, slam dunk. Nice. Kenny Williams. Bradley Haas. Ron Harper, slam dunk. And a Danny Young. Okay. So here we go. Last 4 packs, guys. Hopefully we get some, at least one more Jordan. Nothing makes me more sad than coming to the end of a bottle break, guys. I could do this all day just because I enjoy sports cards. I think when you find something that's enjoyable, which is also happens to be profitable, that's where you stop working and start enjoying life. So I hope you guys are able to find a little bit of enjoyment in the hobby and can make the hobby work for you as well. Life's too short to not absolutely do what you love. All right, so here we got the last 4 packs. This video has been long. Thank you for bearing with it. All right, Romeo Robinson, Don McLean, Byron Houston, Charles Smith, Jay Humphries, Mailman. Centering looks a little bit better on that. Cedric Sabalas, LaFonso Ellis, Drayling or something. Jeff Hornacek, still no Jordan, man. Hakeem Olajuwon. Mark Randall, there's the Michael Jordan. Centering looks really good on that one. Awesome. That's what we like to see right there. It's a 10 all day. No paper loss on the gold, and it's centered just about perfect. See John Williams, Stanley Roberts. Oh, another Shaq rookie. Very nice. Centering looks pretty good on that one as well. I love the packs. Whenever you get one card that's centered, as long as you're in the same pack, usually all the cards in that pack are centered about the same, which is good. And the Shaq base rookie is by far the best, at least the most valuable. All right. This box didn't turn out being too bad. See if we can get one more Jordan, guys. She's Sean Brooks, Harold Miner, Tom Gugliotta rookie. Nice. Sleeve that up. Centering looks good on that one also. James Edwards, Isaac Austin, Daryl Dawkins, followed by Manute Bowl. He's a big old lanky dude. Oliver Miller, Will Perdue, Chuck Person, Sidney Green, Gerald Wilkins, Jerome Lane, Doc Rivers, Clarence Weatherspoon, another Latrell Sprewell rookie. Followed by Charles Barkley, Slam Dunk. Rod Strickland, Sean Kemp, Slam Dunk. Brad Lohaus, Brian Howard, Kenny Williams. Oh, that was a Pippen, okay. Danny Young, okay. Scottie Pippen, nice. Still a fan of the Pit, for sure. All right, Ron Harper, Slam Dunk. Dan Chase, Adam Keefe, Marlon Wiley, John Sally, Something Green, Javier McDaniels, Tom Smith, Tony Bennett, Andrew Lang. Oh, nice, Shaquille O'Neal, another rookie. That's awesome. I don't know if we were going to get any more hits before the box ended. All right, Dave Johnson, Kenny Walker, Christian Laettner rookie, Nagel Knight, Rodney McRae, Raphael Addison, and Dell Ellis. So that ends the box of 92-93 Fleer as a base set. There's all of our Hall of Famers. Got quite a good stack of these guys. We'll have to go through and get them sleeved up. Not to mention plenty of rookies over here, but just to kind of recap the video. Here's what we came up with. Sharpshooters Reggie Miller, Sharpshooters Clyde Drexler, Pippen Slam Dunk, Rodman Slam Dunk, Dominique Wilkins Slam Dunk. I think we got a couple more of those. Couple Jordan Slam Dunks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shaquille O'Neal Slam Dunks, and 1, 2, 3 base card rookies. It looks like a couple of these are Gem Mint 10 as well, as far as the centering goes on here. So all in all, I would definitely recommend this set for 180 bucks. You can't hardly beat it. You'll get at least that out of one of the Shaquille O'Neal rookies. I think these are trending right now for about 400 in a Gem Mint 10. Not to mention the Jordans and the other Hall of Famers you get out of the set. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay tilted, and we look forward to seeing you soon.